What's up guys, Tyler here from SunFrog Shirts, and in this video I wanted to go over how to upload your own designs. Now in the previous video we went over how to find great top selling designs on the SunFrog platform. So if you're a marketer and that's what you're more interested in, then do check out the previous video. But for anybody, marketer, artist, or both, looking to upload their own artwork, maybe you have a logo or design you've been working with for a long time and like to get it on a t-shirt, or maybe you want to try designing a brand new t-shirt using our text editor. These are both things that you can do on our platform. So let's go ahead and jump in and take a look. So to get started, we want to hop into the design tab, which you will find here, and we'll hop into designer. And this will take us into our design wizard. So the first step is to decide what type of product you want to make. Now, while we are SunFrog Shirts, we do have some other ancillary products that you can create as well. We have mugs, we have posters, and we have canvas prints as well. For this video, we're going to go ahead and make a ladies tee, and we'll do a text version first, and then we'll upload an image after that so you can see both flavors of this design wizard. So to create a text-based design, you can select from different fonts, and then we have different groupings of fonts as well. So quite a few different ones for you to choose from. I use this athletic font quite a bit. You can also change the font color in a lot of the designs that I make. And then you just type in the text that you want on the shirt. You can then stretch it, resize it, move it around, and that type of thing. You will notice that if you stretch the design too far, that you'll actually get the border here will turn red. And this box is actually the printable area of the design. So this is actually the capability of our printers is within this box here. So if your text extends out like this, for example, then only these three letters would be printed on the shirt. Now, if something like the border itself is pushing, like you can see here, but the text is inside, that's okay. As long as the text or image is within this box, then it'll print on the shirt without issues. So once you get it on there and sized properly, you can also snap it to kind of center it on the shirt itself, or you can even rotate it. And this is really useful for like leggings and other product types. So that's real easy, simple how to make a text-based design. Now let's go ahead and get rid of that, and I'll show you how you can upload your own art. Now we already have a file stored, and it's as simple as that to upload it to the design. Now this is already in the correct file size. Now for t-shirts, I believe it's 2400 by 3200 pixels, and we select PNG and JPEG images for the upload. Now you want to make sure that your design is at least that big or bigger so you can scale it down, because you won't actually be able to stretch an image that's smaller onto the shirt. That'll cause pixelation, lower quality, and usually when it comes off the printer it just ends up not looking super great. So do make sure that it's at least that resolution, and if it's at 24 by 32 it'll fit perfectly in the box just like you're seeing here. So after you've got your artwork uploaded or text on the shirt that you want to use, you can then go through and select the primary color that you want for the design. So we'll go with white, but this will be the first design that the customer lands in on when they follow a link to your shirt. So this will be the first product style and color that they see. After we're happy with all those selections, we can move through where we can then add other color variations to our design, and we can also add other styles and colors as well. And it'll show you the mockup template for what you're selecting. And in the previous step, you also too will notice that you can also add back art and back text on designs as well. We do support that. And now that we have all of our styles and colors, we'll hit next, where you'll just add a title, add it to a category, add a description, and then add some keywords, and then make sure you check this box. And the terms and conditions just state that you do own the artwork and all the rights to the artwork that you are using. And then we will go through and finish. So what we've done here is actually just generate the mockup. Now what our system does after we push it through is actually create the product listing in the back end. It assigns it a product SKU, a unique product SKU, and then it'll generate a URL that you'll use to actually promote the design. And here you can see, now that it's finished, you can see all your different variations, and you'll see the URL for the shirt. So let's just click through here real quick, where we'll see we have the title that we input here, the description that we put here, and then the keywords we input are tagging our system so that when a customer comes and uses the search bar, any term that we put in the keywords will be what matches it up to the search for the customer to find. So those are important things to do. Obviously, we just put in some filler stuff just to get through this, but do make sure that your product description as well, or your product title as well as your product description are relevant. And this could also be used as kind of like a sales pitch for your design as well. So both pretty important things. And now that the design is uploaded, let's just hop back out to the dashboard and I'll show you where you can find this page in case you want to use it in the future. So if we go to Manage Designs, we'll actually find this design we just uploaded here. And if you click Edit, it'll take you back to this page where you can add additional variations, styles, or colors. You can change the pricing of your products. You can change that title, description, keywords. You can add things like limited time, which is a countdown timer, which will actually expire the design after the countdown timer is over. And there's some other things you can do for the product as well. So let's go ahead and hop back out to the dashboard. So in this video, we learned how you can upload your own artwork on SunFrog. Super simple, real quick process. Should allow you to get all your designs uploaded and start getting some promotions behind them. So thanks so much for watching, guys. And as always, we will see you in the next video.